Welcome back, Crammers, to question 5. The diagram shows an 8-sided shape. H to G is equal to 28 centimeters, F to G is 12 centimeters, AB and EF are both 5 centimeters. The height of the shape is 20 centimeters, CD is parallel to HG. We'll see why that's important later. The area of the shape is 434 centimeters squared. Find the length of CD. Since CD is perfectly parallel to HG, we know that CD is a perfectly horizontal line, and we can use the equation A plus B divided by 2 times H to find the area of this trapezium. Then combine that with the area of this rectangle, which is width times length, and subtract that from 434 to find the length of CD. Now, A we'll put here as CD plus B. The bottom of the trapezium is 28 minus 10. So that is 18 plus 18 divided by 2 times height. Now, the total height of the object is 20 centimeters, and the height of FG is 12 centimeters. So 20 minus 12 is 8 times 8. Now we combine this with length times width. So 12 times 28, 12 times 28 is equal to 434. We can simplify this. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So CD plus 18 multiplied by 4 plus 12 times 28, 336, is equal to 434. We can simplify this further. 4CD plus 18 times 4, 72, plus 336 is equal to 434. Since we do not have CD, we bring all the other like terms to the other side. 4CD is equal to 434 minus 72 minus 336. 434 minus 72 minus 336 is 26. 4CD is equal to 26. We divide this by 4, cancel out, divide by 4. CD is equal to 6.5 centimeters. 6.5 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Cram, then